St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
SDM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Good evening viewers, welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings news from various colleges in and around Mangalore. I am your host Reis Nadapuram. Let's look at this week's headlines.
Postgraduate Physics Department of St. Aloysius College marks a new beginning with the inauguration of Phoenix. Women's Cell of St. Aloysius College conducts a street play protesting against the recent rape cases. Janet KG, a former member of Campus Eye, wins the Minnale Award. Esperanza 2014 inspires management students. And in Campus Law, we have Uma Bhagilakshmi from St. Aloysius College.
Esperanza 2014, a national level intercollegiate fest, attracts many students to Srinivasa College of Management Studies.
ಎಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಾನಿರೋದು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಸ್ಪರೆನ್ಸಾ 2014ನ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಮೋರ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಪಾಂಡೇಶ್ವರ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇವರು ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಪದವಿ ಹಾಗೂ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ತರಬೇತಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನೊಳಗೊಂಡ ಅಂತರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಉತ್ಸವ ಎಸ್ಪೆರೆನ್ಸಾ 2014 ಅನ್ನು ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳ 20ರಂದು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿತು. ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಚ್ಎಲ್ ಶಶಿರೇಖಾ, ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಇವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕಲ್ಬಾವಿ, ಸಿಇಒ ನೋವಿಗೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿಎ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರರಾವ್, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಎ ಶ್ಯಾಮರಾವ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಶ್ರೀ ಎ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸರಾವ್, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಎ ಶ್ಯಾಮರಾವ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಜೀವನ್ ಪಿಂಟೋ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಧ್ಯೇಯದ ನಿಲುವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
These coding and gaming will give the students more experience, or they can exhibit their talent in these fields, and which is necessary for the IT students.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘಟಕಿ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಗೋಖಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ನ PG ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಈ UG ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡು, ಕೇರಳ, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ 35 ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಈ ಇವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 9:30 ಸಂಜೆ 6:30 ತನಕ ನಿಂತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ರಾಬಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನಲ್ಲಿ.
The Women's Cell of St. Aloysius College conducted a street play in the college campus to conscientize the students on the value and dignity of women in the society.
It was a part in the long chain of protest against the recent issues of rapes reported all over India. The students from St. Aloysius College had a chance to become a part of it, as the women's cell of the college organized a street play. The theme of the play had a unique message which made the audience to watch it attentively. The drama artists introduced themselves to the audience. Shelin Shelmasarao, Secretary of Women's Forum of St. Aloysius College, spoke to Campus Eye.
Today we organized a street play, awareness against rape, and the response was very good. Why? Because the present trend in our society is about rape. We don't know when, what will happen to a girl. A girl is not free to roam around the city because of rape cases happening. If a guy respects his own mother, his own sister at his own house, then a guy can respect the girls outside the society also.
Minnale prestigious journalism award goes to Janet KG in her first year of industrial experience. She was an integral part of Campus I till last year. Let's have a look.
Campus I family is very much happy to introduce our own family member, Janet George, who won the prestigious Minnale Award from the state of Kerala for the best social commitment reporting of the year. Janet, congratulations and welcome back to the Campus I family. Janet, how do you feel after winning this prestigious award?
I'm really very happy after getting this award, and this award was sponsored by Manappuram Minnale Group in Kerala, and my story was all about the ruined village industries in Kerala, especially in Thrissur district.
We all know that well begun is half done, and you have superbly started your journalistic career. And Janet, what's your future plan?
I really value this award as a budding journalist because this is my first award in the industry, and I want to continue my career as a socially responsible journalist.
Janet, the Mass Communication Department of St. Aloysius College, the Campus I team, is proud of you, and we are thanking you wholeheartedly for sharing this joyful experience with us.
I'm very happy to say that this is all because of the great support and the training which I have received from MCMS department during my post-graduation studies. And I really thank our HOD Mr. Vishal Nayak sir and my colleagues, my friends Jishnesh Menon and Arun Lucas SJ. Thank you.
That's all from the studio.
Postgraduate Physics Department of St. Aloysius College inaugurated first Students Association. Campus I brings you more details.
Physics Department of St. Aloysius College inaugurated Student Association Phoenix for postgraduate students. It was inaugurated by K.M. Balakrishna, Professor of Department of Studies in Physics, Mangalore University. Reverend Father Siber De Silva S.J., Principal of St. Aloysius College, presided over the function. Association Secretary Ms. Shruti H.R., President Mr. Neelakandan V.K., Coordinator A. Sridhar were also gathered on the dais. Professor Balakrishna delivered the keynote address and published first issue of Eureka, the wall magazine of the department.
So that is physics. Basically, the physics people with a maths background. Remember, physics people with a good maths background, mathematics background can become a good physicist.
Coordinator Sridhar explained about the vision of Phoenix. Dr. Sridhar spoke to Campus I.
The association is actually meant for the programs like conducting intercollegiate competitions, seminars, then arranging some guest lectures, and also they are starting with one wall magazine, namely Eureka, and students are supposed to contribute to this wall magazine.
Ms. Jyoti, editor of Eureka, spoke to Campus I.
And we have a plan of conducting many guest lectures, seminars, competitions like debate, quiz, etc. And also like demonstrating experiments to young and energetic students from PUC or high school so that they'll be more interested towards physics.
Let's move on to Campus Star.
Welcome to Campus Star. For today's Campus Star, we have a young athlete from St. Aloysius College, Uma Bhagyalakshmi. Uma, welcome to Campus Star. Uma, you started your career from school days itself. Can you highlight some of your achievements?
I started practicing from 6th standard and then I went to nationals for the first time when I was in 7.
In 8th standard, I got bronze medal in 600 meters, and then in 9th standard, I got bronze medal in 800 meters in national level. Then in 2nd PUC, I got silver medal in 4x400 meter relay in national level. And in last year, in first year BCom, I went to national level in Open Nationals, and then I represented Mangalore University in Inter-University held in Patiala.
Can you introduce your family and coach for us?
He's my father and she's my mother. He's my coach, Lakshman Rai. They have been encouraging me from the time I started my sports.
I was in Indian Army as an athlete in Indian national and international level. I participated. When she was our Uma Bhagyalakshmi studied in 6th standard, she came with me with her father, and little give coach to our Uma Bhagyalakshmi. And just identify that the girl, she is very good future and also physics also is there. So I agreed, and then she started all the practice up till this day also. She didn't go anywhere. I gave only natural food also, egg, milk and other natural green vegetables, then ghee, like that only. So I started my started a practice with hardly, and she dedicated and sincerely she done all the practice her career. So first time she participated in our district meet for the championship, and again state meet. She was also the champion, and she went to national meet. She got third place bronze medal in first time. So
ಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮೂರನೇ ಮಗಳು. ಅವಳು 6ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗಲೇ ಓಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಂಗಳ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಸರ್ ಅದರ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಸಹ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಪುನಃ 5:30ಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಪುನಃ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ.
As an upcoming athlete, can you share your future plan with Campus Star?
I was a great fan of Usain Bolt from my school days, and then last year the movie Baag Milkha Baag, it inspired me a lot. It showed me how Milkha Singh worked so hard to achieve what he have done. For my dream, I want to get a gold medal in national level, and then represent India in international in coming future.
Let your dream come true. Let India be proud about you. But thank you for sharing your time with us. And this is Ashwati for Campus Star. Over to studio.
Uma Bhagyalakshmi, Campus Eye wishes all success in your future life. That's all for this week's Campus Eye. I'm your host Reis Nadhapuram, signing off.
St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
STM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್